The Count of Monte Cristo, written by Alexandre Dumas and first published in 1844, is a quintessential classic novel renowned for its intricate plot, rich characters, and exploration of themes like betrayal, revenge, and redemption. The novel is set against the dramatic backdrop of early 19th century France and offers a compelling blend of adventure, drama, and psychological depth. The narrative begins in 1815, when Edmond Dantes, a young and successful sailor, is wrongfully imprisoned. Dantes is poised for a promising future, engaged to the beautiful Mercedes and on the verge of becoming the captain of his ship. However, his fortunes change drastically when he is falsely accused of being a Bonapartist agent. The accusation is part of a scheme by his envious rivals, Fernand Mondego, who desires Mercedes, Danglars, a jealous colleague, and Villefort, the ambitious prosecutor who manipulates the legal system to ensure Dantes's incarceration. Dantes is sentenced to life imprisonment in the Château d'If, a grim fortress off the coast of Marseille. During his confinement, he befriends Abbé Faria, an elderly fellow prisoner who reveals the location of a vast treasure hidden on the Isle of Monte Cristo. After Faria's death, Dantes escapes from prison and discovers the treasure, which transforms him into the wealthy and enigmatic Count of Monte Cristo. With his newfound resources, Dantes meticulously plans and executes a campaign of revenge against those who betrayed him. As the Count, he infiltrates the lives of his enemies, using his wealth and cunning to orchestrate their downfall. Each of his adversaries receives retribution tailored to their specific wrongdoings, reflecting Dantes's intricate planning and understanding of human nature. The novel's richness lies not only in its suspenseful plot but also in its exploration of complex themes. Dumas delves into the moral implications of revenge and justice, examining how Dantes's quest for retribution impacts his own soul and the lives of those around him. His interactions with Mercedes, now married to Mondego, and other characters reveal the profound psychological and emotional consequences of his actions. Dumas' storytelling is marked by vivid descriptions and well-drawn characters. The Count of Monte Cristo himself is a multifaceted figure, intelligent, charismatic, and driven by a deep sense of justice and personal vendetta. His transformation from an innocent sailor to a sophisticated avenger underscores the novel's themes of change and self-discovery. Moreover, the novel's intricate structure includes a web of subplots and secondary characters, each contributing to the main storyline. These elements enhance the depth and complexity of the narrative, offering readers a rich tapestry of intertwining lives and fates. The Count of Monte Cristo is celebrated for its dramatic tension, vivid setting, and moral exploration. Dumas' masterful use of adventure and intrigue, combined with his profound insights into human nature, ensures the novel's enduring appeal. It remains a cornerstone of classic literature, illustrating the timeless fascination with themes of justice, vengeance, and redemption. The novel's impact extends beyond the page, inspiring numerous adaptations in film, television, and theater, further solidifying its place in the literary canon.